Friends, welcome to Girija U tutorial. In this video, we are going to be discussing Entrepreneurship Development MCQs Part 2. In the previous video, we discussed Part 1 MCQs. The same Part 1 MCQs link also will post this video description. Let us start the MCQs. Question 1. A woman entrepreneur is supposed to have a minimum financial interest in share capital of entrepreneur's enterprise. Option A 35%, option B 51%, option C 25%, option D 75%. Correct answer 51%. Question number 2. In the stage of responsibility allocation process, the entrepreneur follows. Option A, high centralized decision making process. Option B, highly decentralized decision making process. Option C, somewhat centralized decision making process. Option D, no particular standards. Correct answer is highly decentralized decision making process. Question number 3. According to the governing bodies of common laws, the life of trade secret is option A 12 years, option B 17 years, option C 20 years, option D as long as it remains confidential. Correct answer is option D as long as it remains confidential. Question number 4. International Women's Day is celebrated on option A 8th March, option B 9th March, option C 8th April, option D 8th October. Correct answer 8th March. Question number 5. Basic problems of women entrepreneurs in India. Option A lack of education skills, option B lack of financial support, option C lack of equality, option D all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. In India, women entrepreneurs are facing all these kinds of problems: lack of education skills, lack of financial support, and lack of equality. Question number 6. The key factor influencing the mobility of entrepreneurs are option A resources, option B experience and education, option C language and culture, option D all of the above. Correct answer all of the above. The resources, experience and education, language and culture. These all are the influencing factors, the mobility of entrepreneurs. Question number 7. Dash is one of the quality of an entrepreneur. Option A, initiator. Option B, demolisher. Option C, terminator. Option D, alleviator. Correct answer is initiator. Question number 8. Intrapreneurs are dash on the owners. Option A dependent, option B independent, option C sole proprietor, option D none of the above. Correct answer option A dependent. Intrapreneurs are always dependent on the owners. Question number 9. An entrepreneur who personally surprises the work to ensure that the work is accomplished according to the standards set forth is option A inefficient monitoring, option B efficient monitoring, option C glimpse, option D descend. Correct answer option B efficient monitoring. Question number 10. Dash is one of the barrier of entrepreneurship. Option A, time pressure and distractions. Option B, attentiveness. Option C, calmness. Option D, concentration. Correct answer. Option A, time pressure and distractions. Question number 11. From the following, which one is not classification of entrepreneurs according to the types of businesses? Option A, wholesaler. Option B, retailer. Option C, exporter. Option D, rural entrepreneur. Correct answer is rural entrepreneur. Question number 12. The concept of ethics comes from the dashboard. Option A, Italian. Option B, Greek. Option C, French. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is Greek. The word ethics comes from the Greek word. Question number 13. The entrepreneur was distinguished from capital provider in dash. Option A, Middle Ages. Option B, 17th century. Option C, 18th century. Option D, 20th century. Correct answer is option C, 18th century. Question number 14. Which one of the following is the process of entrepreneurs developing new products that over time make current products obsolete? Option A, new business model. Option B, an automation. Option C, creative destruction. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is creative destruction. Question number 15. Which of the following factors is the most important in forcing US companies to focus on new product development and increased productivity? Option A, entrepreneurship. Option B, hyper competition. Option C, governmental laws. Option D, organizational culture. Correct answer is option B, hyper competition. Question number 16. The activity which occurs when the new venture is started is called option A, motivation. Option B, business skills. Option C, departure point. Option D, goal orientation. Correct answer is option C, departure point. Question number 17. The level at which an individual is viewed by society is called option A, financial status. Option B, qualification. Option C, social status. Option D, achievement. Correct answer is social status. Question number 18. Which one of the following is an important source of idea generation due to their familiarity with the needs of market? Option A, existing products and services. Option B, distribution channels. Option C, federal government. Option D, consumers. Correct answer is option B, distribution channels. Question number 19. Members of distribution channels are excellent sources for new ideas because option A, they earn a handsome profit from new business. Option B, they are familiar with the needs of the market. Option C, they do not bother if entrepreneurs bears a loss. Option D, they have well developed sales force. Correct answer is option B, they are familiar with the needs of the market. Question number 20. Which one of the following is the most important characteristics of a successful business website? Option A, innovation. Option B, speed. Option C, graphics. Option D, products. Correct answer is speed. Question number 21. Why should an entrepreneur do a feasibility study for starting a new venture? Option A, to identify possible sources of funds. Option B, to see if there are possible barriers to success. Option C, to estimate the expected sales. Option D, to explore potential customers. Correct answer is option B, to see if there are possible barriers to success. Question number 22. Entrepreneurship development program is required to help. Option A, existing entrepreneurs. Option B, first generation entrepreneurs. Option C, future generation entrepreneurs. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is first generation entrepreneurs. These entrepreneurship development programs are required to help first generation entrepreneurs. Question number 23. A corporate manager who starts a new initiative for their company, which entails setting up a new distinct business unit and board of directors, can be regarded as option A, ecopreneur, option B, technopreneur, option C, intrapreneur, option D, social entrepreneur. Correct answer, intrapreneur. Question number 24. Venture capital is concerned with option A, new project having potential for higher profit. Option B, new project of high technology. Option C, new project having high risk. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option A, new project having potential for higher profit. Question number 25. Which of the following is the reason for business failure? Option A, lack of market research. Option B, poor financial control. Option C, poor management. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Lack of market research, poor financial control, poor management. These three are the reasons for business failure. Question number 26. The use of informal networks by entrepreneurs to gather information is known as option A, secondary research, option B, entrepreneurial networking, option C, informal parameters, option D, marketing. Correct answer is option B, entrepreneurial networking. Question number 27. Good sources of information for an entrepreneur about competitors can be obtained from option A, websites, option B, product information leaflets, option C, company reports and published accounts, option D, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. The website, product information leaflets, and company reports, published account, these all are the sources of information for an entrepreneur. Question number 28. A new venture's business plan is important because option A, it helps to persuade others to commit funding to the venture. Option B, can help demonstrate the viability of the venture. Option C, provides a guide for business activities by defining objectives. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. A new venture's business plan is important because it helps to persuade others to commit funding to the venture. It can help demonstrate the viability of the venture and it provides a guide for business activities by defining objectives. Question number 29. Entrepreneurs are motivated by option A, money, option B, personal values, option C, pull influences, option D, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Entrepreneurs are motivated by these three: money, personal values, and pull influences. Question number 30. Compared to business to consumer e-commerce, business to business e-commerce is option A equal size, option B slightly smaller, option C slightly larger, option D much larger. Correct answer is option D much larger. Business to business e commerce is much larger than business to consumer e commerce. Question number 31. Which one of the following is not one of the major types of e commerce? Option A consumer to business, option B business to consumer, option C business to business, option D consumer to consumer. Correct answer is consumer to business. Question number 32. The dimension of e commerce that enables commerce across national boundaries is called option A interactivity, option B global reach, option C richness, option D ubiquity. Correct answer is option B global reach. Question number 33. E-commerce technologies have improved upon traditional commerce technologies in option A richness, option B reach, option C both richness and reach, option D neither richness nor reach. Correct answer is both richness and reach. E-commerce technologies have improved upon traditional commerce technologies in richness and reach. Question number 34. Which one of the following is not considered to be one of the three phases of e-commerce? Option A innovation, option B consolidation, option C preservation, option D reinvention. Correct answer option C preservation. Preservation is not considered to be one of the phases of e-commerce. Question number 35. The idealistic market envisioned at the outset of the development of e-commerce is called A. Bailey market, B. Baxter market, C. Bergman market, D. Bertrand market. Correct answer is Bertrand market. Question number 36. The primary source of financing during the early years of e-commerce was option A bank loans, option B large retail firms, option C venture capital funds, option D initial public offerings. Correct answer is option D venture capital funds. Question number 37. The type of firms that benefited the most during the consolidation period of e-commerce were option A, large traditional firms. Option B, first movers. Option C, pure online companies. Option D, ISPs. Correct answer is large traditional firms. Question number 38. A dash is the set of planned activities designed to result in a profit in a marketplace. Option A, business model. Option B, profit model. Option C, business plan. Option D, revenue model. Correct answer is option A, business model. Question number 39. Which one of the following is not a key element of business model? Option A, value proposition. Option B, competitive advantage. Option C, market strategy. Option D, universal standards. Correct answer is option D, universal standards. Question number 40. The source of revenue in a subscription revenue model is dash. Option A, fees from advertisers in exchange for advertisements. Option B, fees for business referrals. Option C, fees from subscribers in exchange for access to content or services. Option D, fees for enabling or execution a transaction. Correct answer is option C, fees from subscribers in exchange for access to content or service. Question number 41, which of the following is an example of a portal? Option A, Amazon. Option B, eBay. Option C, Yahoo. Option D, Facebook. Correct answer is Yahoo. Question number 42. All of the following are major business to consumer business models except option A, content provider. Option B, industry consortium. Option C, transaction broker. Option D, service provider. Correct answer is industry consortium. Question number 43. The Dash business model involves an independently owned vertical digital marketplace for direct inputs. Option A, e-distributor. Option B, exchange. Option C, e-procurement. Option D, private industrial network. Correct answer, exchange. Question number 44. Industry structure is defined as option A, the nature of the players in an industry and their relative bargaining power. Option B, a set of plans for achieving long term returns and the capital invested in a business firm. Option C, set of planned activities designed to result in a profit in a marketplace. Option D, how many companies, product or service fulfills the needs of customers. Correct answer option A, the nature of the players in an industry and their relative bargaining power. Question number 45. The area of actual or potential commercial value in which a company intends to operate is a dash. Option A, market space. Option B, marketplace. Option C, perfect market. Option D, veteran market. Correct answer is option A, market space. Question number 46. A perfect market is one in which option A, one firm develops an advantage based on a factor of production that other firms cannot purchase. Option B, one participant in the market has more resources than others. Option C, there are no competitive advantages or asymmetries because all firms have equal access to all the factors to production. Option D, competition is at a minimum as each niche market within an industry is served by the company with the greatest competitive advantage. Correct answer is option C. There are no competitive advantages or asymmetries because all firms have equal access to all the factors to production. Question number 47. A situation where there are no differences among products or services and the only basis of choosing product is price is known as option A, value web. Option B, value chain. Option C, profit. Option D, commoditization. Correct answer is option D, commoditization. Question number 48. Trademarks relate to option A, practice and knowledge acquired through experience. Option B, the protection of proprietary information of commercial value. Option C, the right to reproduce one's own original work. Option D, brand identity. Correct answer is brand identity. Question number 49. Which of the following factors should not be included in pestle analysis? Option A, government recycling policy. Option B, proposed reduction in interest rates. Option C, competitor activity. Option D, demographic changes. Correct answer is option C, competitor activity. Question number 50. Which industrial sector promotes small scale businesses and entrepreneurship and has lower barriers to market entry? Option A, service. Option B, manufacturing. Option C, distribution. Option D, agriculture. Correct answer is option A, service. Guys, these are the MCQs for entrepreneurship development part 2 video, and part 1 video link also will be posted in this video description. Please like and share this video to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.